Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how we can use and how to connect Claude AI with monday.com. So this integration is really useful because we can create tasks automatically. For example, we can summarize our boards, rewrite descriptions. All of this you can do with Claude AI instead of, let's say, manually adding new tasks. You can just paste your prompt or your notes from your meeting, and then Claude will automatically generate tasks based on your prompt. So let me show you how we can connect this. And the first thing what you have to do is you want to click on your profile, you want to go to settings, then connectors, you want to browse connectors and simply search for monday.com. And as you can see, we can manage our projects, boards, and workflows in monday.com. So simply click on add, and this should redirect you to this monday.com MCP page where you want to authorize. And if you see this thing which says app is not installed, what we have to do, we have to install Monday MCP. So if you open monday.com and you want to click on your profile, you want to go to app marketplace, and here simply search for Monday MCP. So you want to install this MCP server. So this first one. So with this you can connect your integrations or AI tools. So simply click on install app. Now you can choose if you want to make it for specific workspaces or all. I'm gonna keep it on all. Install. Now you can choose your workspace. You can keep it on. So I'm gonna select on my main workspace. I have only one workspace. Add app. Now if MCP is installed, we can connect our Claude. So we can try it again. So I'm gonna go back to connectors. I'm gonna again search for monday.com. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this plus icon, and this should redirect us again to this authorization page. And as you can see, now we can see a whole authorization. So we can see all of the permissions. So let's say it can like read all of your workspace data, read users documents and stuff like that. So we want to authorize this, and now it should be connected to our account and we can start using it. So I'm going to show you also some real examples how you can use this. Connected to monday.com. All right, so we should be able to see it somewhere over here. It's over here. We can click on configure, and from here you can configure manually your permissions if you want, but I would recommend you can keep it on needs approval. And then when Claude asks you for specific permissions, you can allow it, let's say, for only that specific task, all right? And that's the safe way how we can use connectors in Claude. And now let's try it. So I'm gonna go to new chat. So I created this simple prompt where I want from Claude to look at my monday.com boards and give me some overview. What tasks are overdue right now? What is due today or tomorrow? Is there anything that's been stuck in the same status for more than 5 days? Give me a simple summary I can use to plan my day. So let's try it and we'll see how this will go. As you can see, it's loading the tools and the monday.com integration is working when you see something like this. So we can allow it always or only once for this specific task. And as you can see, the code generated this simple summary, and we can see which task has which category. So overdue task is for the video how to use Canva in Claude AI. It's from April 26th, so that was the day when it should be done, but it's not. The priority is low, alright, so we can see everything. And stuck for 5+ days, so we can see answer for this as well. So all the tasks were created today, so none have been stuck in the status for 5+ days yet. Okay, so this was a really quick, simple summary of my 3 tasks. But for example, if you have a really large board where you have like 50 tasks, this can be really useful. So this was the first example. Now we can, for example, create tasks with Claude. So for example, you've been through a meeting and you have notes from the meeting and you need to turn those notes into tasks. So what we can do, We can add this notes file in the Claude. So I'm gonna click on add files or photos. And let me find my notes. Should be somewhere at the desktop. All right, I can see it over here. So those are my meeting notes. I'm gonna open them and I will add prompt where I want to create tasks in monday.com based on those meeting notes, which I pasted in the PDF as a PDF file. And we want to also assign each one to the right person based on what's mentioned. Set the priority based on the context. If something sounds urgent, mark it high. All right, so there is many different names in those notes. And currently I have in my workspace only myself, so this thing is probably not going to be working for myself, but if you have those people in your workspace, it's going to work and it's going to automatically assign each task to the right person based on the context of the notes, right? So we can check our Monday if something is happening. So as you can see, it's already telling me what I said. The only one user is in the workspace, so that's me, and all the tasks will be assigned to myself as an owner. But if you would have all those persons like here, as you can see, owner in the notes, it would be assigned to them directly. So we can check our monday.com and we can see all the tasks were created. So we have some, I don't know, fixed password reset, users not receiving reset emails. So we have some support tickets over here. Then you want to update App Store screenshots to reflect the UI. And you can see also the priority. So we have some high, we have one low, and we have also due date based on the notes. So we have two tasks with the due date. Now, for example, if you want to add a deadline for each task, you can add it. So for example, you can type something simple like add deadline for those tasks till next Friday. So really simple prompt, one sentence. I'm going to send this and it should add the deadline for all of those tasks. So today is April 27, so it should be May 2. And it's going to update all the 7 tasks at once. As you can see, the first 3 are updated already, also the fourth one. This is really great if you don't want to do it manual, you just want to type what you want and Claude is going to change it how you want. As you can see, we have made 2 for all the 7 tasks which are newly added. Now let's try something different and let's say we would like to add something new, some new column. Let's say we want to add checkbox column, alright? So we don't have to add it manually, or we can like this, but I would like to try it with the AI if AI is capable of adding new columns. Can you add new checkbox column for all tasks? And we will see if the Claude is capable. Alright, so Claude wants to create a column for monday.com, so I guess it can do things like this. A done checkbox column has been added to checkmark board, so we can check this. And here we go. And I would say this is going to be all for this quick video, how we can connect and use monday.com with Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.